Look, most people trying to sell AI automation are doing it completely wrong. They walk into a small business meeting and start throwing around words like machine learning and neural networks, and the business owner's eyes glaze over in about 30 seconds. If you want to actually close deals and build a sustainable AI automation business, you need a completely different approach. Here is exactly how to sell AI automation services to small businesses in a way that consistently gets a yes. 1. Understand what small business owners actually care about. Small business owners do not care about technology. They care about time, money, and stress. Those are the three currencies that matter to them. When you say I can automate your workflows using AI, they hear noise. But when you say I can save your team 15 hours a week on repetitive tasks, they lean in. Your entire sales approach has to be built around outcomes, not features. The mistake most people make is pitching the tool rather than the result. Do your homework before every call. What are the most painful, time-consuming tasks in that industry? For a dental office, it might be appointment reminders and patient follow-ups. For a real estate agent, it might be lead follow-up and document processing. For a restaurant, it might be inventory tracking and staff scheduling. The more specific your understanding of their pain, the more likely they are to trust you. Generic pitches get ignored. Specific, industry-aware conversations get contracts signed. 2. Niche down to one industry first. If you are trying to sell AI automation to every type of small business at once, you will struggle. The most successful AI automation consultants pick one niche and go deep before going wide. When you specialize in one vertical, say dental practices or real estate agencies, you develop a deep understanding of their language, problems, and buying triggers. You start to sound like someone who truly gets them, not just another tech vendor trying to make a sale. Specialization also lets you build case studies and testimonials within the same industry, which makes every subsequent sale dramatically easier. Imagine being able to say, I have helped 12 dental practices each save over 20 hours per month on patient communication alone. Pick your niche based on where you already have some knowledge or connections, and spend 3 to 6 months becoming the go-to AI automation person in that space before you consider expanding. 3. Lead with a free audit or discovery call. One of the best ways to get your foot in the door is to offer something valuable before you ask for anything in return. A free AI automation audit is a fantastic way to do this. You spend 30 to 45 minutes on a call with the business owner, ask questions about their current processes, and identify 3 to 5 specific areas where automation could save them time or money. At the end, you give them a simple breakdown of what is possible and what it would cost. Even if they do not immediately buy, you have established yourself as an expert and built genuine goodwill. The discovery call itself should be structured around listening, not pitching. Ask open-ended questions like, what tasks do you or your team find most repetitive or frustrating? And if you could eliminate one thing from your daily operations, what would it be? Let them do most of the talking. The more they explain their problems, the clearer it becomes to them that they need a solution, and you are already positioned as the person who can provide it. 4. Price-based on value, not hours. Charging by the hour is one of the biggest pricing mistakes you can make as an AI automation service provider. It frames your service as a cost rather than an investment. Instead, price based on the value you deliver. If your automation solution saves a business 20 hours per month and their average hourly labor cost is $25, that is $500 in saved costs every single month. A solution that saves them $6,000 a year can easily command a one-time setup fee of $2,000 to $5,000 plus a monthly retainer for maintenance. When you present pricing this way, you are showing a return on investment. Frame it as, this system will pay for itself within 3 months and continue saving you money every month after that. Offer tiered packages: starter, growth, and premium to give prospects a sense of choice. Most people will choose the middle option, so price your most profitable service there. 5. Use social proof and case studies aggressively. Small business owners are risk-averse. They have been burned by vendors who overpromised and under-delivered. Social proof is absolutely critical in your sales process. Testimonials, case studies, and real results from real businesses are the fastest way to build trust with a skeptical prospect. Even if you are just starting out, you can build early case studies by offering your first few clients a discounted rate in exchange for documented results and a video testimonial. Once you have 2 or 3 solid case studies showing real, specific numbers, your conversion rate will jump dramatically. When presenting to a prospect, lead with a relevant case study before you even explain your services. Tell the story. I worked with a landscaping company similar to yours, and within 60 days of implementing our automated follow-up system, they increased repeat bookings by 40% without hiring anyone new. That story does more selling than any pitch deck ever could. 6. Handle objections before they come up. Every small business owner has the same set of objections. I cannot afford it right now. My team will not actually use it. I have tried software before and it did not work. And I need to think about it. Each of these has a specific, effective counter response that you should rehearse until it feels completely natural. For the affordability objection, reframe around the cost of inaction. How much is it costing you right now to do this manually? For the team adoption concern, explain your onboarding and training process, and that you stay involved until the tool is embedded in their workflow. For the past software disappointment, distinguish what you do differently. You are building a custom system tailored to their specific workflow, not just selling off-the-shelf software. For I need to think about it, create gentle urgency by mentioning your client roster has limited space. The goal is not to pressure them, it is to help them make a decision rather than letting inertia win. 7. Build a referral engine into your business. The cheapest, most effective lead generation strategy for an AI automation business is referrals. Happy clients who see real results from your work will enthusiastically recommend you to other business owners they know, but only if you make it easy and incentivize them to do so. Do not wait for referrals to happen organically. Build a formal referral program into your business from day one. Contact your best clients every 90 days, check in on how things are going, and mention your referral program. Offer them something meaningful for every introduction that turns into a client a month of free service, a discount on future work, or a cash incentive. Small business owners talk to each other constantly. One raving fan in the right network can generate 5 to 10 new clients without you spending $1 on advertising. Make referrals a system, not an afterthought. 8. Follow up relentlessly and professionally. Most sales are lost not because the prospect said no, but because the salesperson gave up too early. Research consistently shows that the majority of deals close after 5 or more follow-up touchpoints, yet most salespeople stop after just 1 or 2. Business owners are busy. They forget. They get pulled into a crisis the day after your meeting. They put things off not because they are not interested, but because they have 1,000 things competing for their attention. Your follow-up sequence should be consistent, professional, and value-driven. Do not just send checking-in emails, send something useful, a relevant article, a case study from a client in their industry, or a quick update on something new you can offer them. A solid cadence is 1 day after the meeting, then 3 days later, then weekly for a month. The fortune, without question, is in the follow-up. So there you have it, a complete playbook for selling AI automation services to small businesses. To recap quickly, niche down to one industry, lead with outcomes not technology, offer a free audit to get your foot in the door, price based on value not hours, build your social proof from day one, pre-handle objections, create a referral engine, and follow up more than you think you should. The AI automation market is still wide open, and small businesses desperately need what you have to offer. They just need someone who can communicate it in a way that actually makes sense to them. If you implement even half of what I covered today, you will be ahead of 90% of your competition. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, because I drop new content every week on building and scaling your AI business. I will see you in the next one.